What's going on, Lead Gen Beast? Matty Guys here, Leads for Locals. In this video, we are going to be building a one-page website using the GoHighLevel funnel builder. Not the website builder, the funnel builder. I don't really know how to use the website builder because honestly, I don't do much with websites in my marketing or lead generation anyways. But the reason I put this together and I wanted to do this video is because creating a simple website template that you can offer to your clients, your customers, as something, as kind of like a bonus, an add-on to your SaaS product, your course, which I have in both. I give my SaaS clients a pre-made website template. I give all of my course customers a pre-made website template. That saves them a ton of time. They don't have to spend thousands of dollars getting a website made. It becomes really, really valuable part of your product and service. Now, if you're doing really sophisticated web design and SEO and all that stuff, then this is probably not the video for you. But if you're looking for something simple, clean, professional, that works, it converts traffic into actual leads, appointments, etc., this is definitely the video for you. All right, so make sure you stick to the end. It's going to be pretty sweet. And if you guys don't mind, if you find the video helpful, please smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Check out the links in the description. I have some really good tutorials on some cool stuff you can do with GoHighLevel. And of course, if you don't have GoHighLevel, please go through my affiliate link. It really does help support the channel. That will be in the description as well. All right, let's rock and roll. So I'm going to use one of the websites that I include in one of my courses here as a guide, and we're just going to build it from scratch, right? So now the main site itself that I give to my clients is in an actual funnel. I have a main site, appointment page, and an appointment confirmation page. We're not really going to go through these two, but again, it really depends on what you want to create for your clients. In this particular case, the main site, when people click on the button, they get redirected to this page and they can book an appointment to request whatever free lead magnet we're offering on the website. You'll see that in a second, all right? So we're going to use this as our guide. So let's go ahead and open this up. All right. Now, before we actually start creating the website, actually, let me break it down here really quick, and then we'll get started. So up here at the top left, you'll see broken image. I'll show you what this is, but basically this is going to be your client or customer's logo, or yours if you're doing this for your own business. We're going to have our Twilio number over here. This is basically saying who we are, what we do. Right here is a call to action to request our free lead magnet, whatever, in this case, it's some type of, free custom plan. It could be a free guide, masterclass, could be a consultation, whatever. All right. And then we got kind of a mission statement right here. This is going to be your professional headshot or your client or customer's professional headshot. All of this is designed to position them as the expert in their field. That's really what we're trying to do here. This is going to be their name, their title. Again, I'm going to show you how to use these custom values to make this really easy to customize for your customers and clients. All right, whether you're doing it for them, through your SaaS onboarding process, or you want your clients to do it themselves, it's really easy. All right, then we have just a couple of boxes here breaking down the overall process of what it is that your client or customer is offering, expertise, breaking down some of the main things that we do, blah, blah, blah. All right, so that's how the website goes. Like I said, it's nothing complicated. It's a simple one-page site with a few buttons on it that just gets directly to the point. It's clean, professional. There's not 10 different pages for people to go on. It's just right to the point, all right? And that's kind of the idea. All right, now, the first thing that we want to go ahead and knock out is the custom values. Let's go ahead and create those, and we'll just get those out of the way, all right? So we're going to go over to settings. All right, we're going to click on custom values. And basically, this is all going to be in the snapshot that you give to your clients and customers, whether it's SaaS, courses, whatever. You're basically adding this to your snapshot that you use to deliver your product and service inside of GoHighLevel. All right. So we're going to add our custom values. Let me make sure I don't have them already. All right. Okay. So we need, let's see, right here. We need one for the logo and the Twilio number. So let's go ahead and do those. All right. Add custom value. I'm just going to do test site, Twilio number. All right, we're going to put 1, 2, 3 in here for now, just to be able to create it. So I'll show you how if you're customizing this for your clients or customers, or you want them to do it themselves, then I'll show you how to edit these custom values later. But right now, we just want to get them onto the website or created so we can add them to the website. All right, let's do one for the logo. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. One is going to be that professional headshot. There we go. Okay, take your time, please. All right, test sites, professional headshots. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, and then we need name and title. Wow. Okay, let's try that. Did it work? Let's see, professional headshot. Okay, yep. I don't know why that's taken so long to save. All right, let's do title. Usually instantaneous, it just creates it, but it's taking its time today. Or maybe I'm just impatient. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. All right, test site. Let's see, client name. All right, we have our custom values. Okay, now that we have our custom values, let's go ahead and start creating the site. So we're going to go to sites, funnels. All right, we're going to add a new funnel, and we're going to do test site 1. Because I already have another one for a different training I was doing earlier. All right. Now, obviously, with your new clients and customers, if they're doing this themselves, you're going to want to make sure they get their custom domain connected. So you probably want to have some training on that. It's really easy. They just add their domains right there. Let's not do that. But I'm just going to use my my Leech for Locals one as an example here. So obviously get the domain connected whenever someone purchases your product or service. All right, so we need the domain. Go ahead and save that. All right, let's add a new step. Let's call this, I'm just going to call it main site. You can call it whatever you want. You put the path as whatever you want. Create funnel step. All right, let's go ahead and create from blank here. Okay. All right, now we're going to start with the full width. And actually, let's go ahead and knock out the SEO metadata. So the settings, SEO metadata. You can do this or not. I typically will just put like main websites for the title, but again, maybe provide instructions to your clients and customers, like, you know, put your actual like business name in here, whatever. Probably use a custom value here, but I don't really mess with that too much anyways. So, all right, let's stay on track here. All right, this first section, we got a black background with a 2-column row here. We will need an image and a subhead. No, we'll just use a headline. All right. So on this section, we're going to click the settings button. I'm going to scroll down. Background color is going to be black. All right. Pretty easy. Now the row right here is going to be 2-column, and the elements. So we're going to add an element here. It's going to be the image for our logo. And then on this one, it's going to be for our Twilio number. So I'll just go ahead and add a subheadline. Let's highlight that. We'll bold it, and let's change the color bold text to white here. All right. And actually what we can do is add the phone icon to it as well. Let's go ahead and knock that out. All right. You can't see it. And that's because we need to change the icon color right here to white. There we go. Cool. Now with these columns, you see how it's kind of out of alignment. We're going to select, click on the settings for the actual column itself. And we're going to change this from center to left. And do the same thing for the image. It's probably not going to do too much to it. Yeah. That's how you get everything aligned. All right. Now we can go ahead and take our custom values. Let's go ahead and knock that out really quick. So we need the one for the logo that we just made. So we're going to look for test site logo. I'm going to grab this. All right. And right here where it says image, and it's got basically it's the URL for the image placeholder. We're going to delete that, paste in the custom value. And I'll show you how we actually insert the client's or customer's logo very easily, very quickly. All right, right now it says broken image, but you'll see it when it's all done. Trust me, it's going to save you an unbelievable amount of time. All right, and now we need the one for the Twilio number. All right, let's get rid of this. Paste that in. Whoa. Okay, I guess I should have made the color white there. All right, but we're going to bold it anyways. There we go. All right, let's get rid of the extra space, right? Whoa, I did not mean to do that. Let's add that bracket again. All right, and we're just getting rid of the extra space in between the brackets and the letters. All right, we'll click save. Cancel keep for now. All right, we're going to add another section, and we'll do full width. Now this time, let's see. We had the kind of like the blue faded background with the image or whatnot. I think this is pretty cool. It just makes the website really neat, in my opinion. So we're going to click settings for the entire section. All right, we're going to go to background image, and we're going to click the image button. And we can go to Unsplash to get a bunch of different stock photos. You can see I've already added them here, but we'll just go through it again. All right, Unsplash, and we just, it depends on your industry. Type in something related to your industry or client's industry, whatever. We're going to select this, right click and add image to my media. So it actually adds it to the library. All right, so just find an image that you like. All right, let's click back. And now we're going to go back to the background image, click the button again. All right, now we have that image in our library here. All right, we're going to whoa, okay. Man, the lag is really bad today. Sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on. All right, we're going to double click that image. It's going to insert it. Boom, there we go. Now, to create this really cool, just colored effect, you can use any color you want. We're going to select our background color right here. And if you don't see the color you want, you can always choose a custom one. Click add. Whoops, we want to click the black box there. I'm going to try and find there we go, dark blue, purple, whatever. And then we're going to click add color. All right. Now you'll notice it didn't do anything, and that's because we need to change the background image opacity. I think that's how you pronounce it. Heavy fade, half fade, boom, there we go. So you can play around with that, play around with some different colors, come up with something that you think looks cool. All right. Now we're going to add our contents on this one. And this is going to be a 1-column row. We're just going to do a headline, subheadline, and a button. That's it. So add elements, headline. Again, I'm just going to go off of the website I already have. I'm going to put your life insurance and annuity experts. All right. That's already bold, so that's good. Let's make it a little bit bigger. And we can do some other stuff here. Bold text. Let's make it white. And then we can also play around with the text itself, like the shadow and whatnot. You can also change the type as well, like the font. Actually, where do you do that? Headline, advanced. Let's see. I know there's a place where you can change the actual font itself, but anyways, we want text shadow. We can do strong shadow. Doesn't make too big of a difference. It depends on the color that you use, but it's a cool way to enhance your text. All right, let's click the plus sign. We'll add a sub headline here, and we'll put request. This is going to be your lead magnet, guys. Is it a free guide, a free masterclass, webinar, consultation, whatever it is? I'm just going to put request your free life insurance and annuity guide. Okay, let's change the color here. White, so we'll make this a little bit bigger. Where is the size? Desktop size. There we go. And we do the text transform thing again, just to make it pop a little bit more. Add shadow to it. All right, and then we'll add the button. Okay, and let's put a little margin on here. We'll just kind of give it a little bit of breathing room there. We'll do the same thing for the sub headline. There we go. All right, let's click the button. A couple of things we can do. Click advanced, and you can add some button effects here. I like the glow one. I just think that looks pretty cool. We'll change the text. All right. Click here to request your free guide, whatever that is. All right. Now, there's a couple of different things you can do with the button. If you are going to create other pages for your clients, like in my case, let's go back here. I've got the main site, the appointment page, confirmation page. All right, you could just redirect, like when they click the button, you could just redirect them to the next page. I would say that's the easiest way to do it. Again, if you're just looking for a simple template here, let me move this over so I don't get these confused. All right, so right here where it says link to in the button, you can just click step or next step, whatever. You can do website URLs, but then you have to create more custom values. Again, I want to keep this as simple as possible for you guys. So I would say just use the step. Or if you have forms that you've built for your clients, you can maybe do a pop-up and then have the form show up in the pop-up right here. It's totally up to you. Again, I just want to show you how to create a basic, simple site. And you can create this pretty quickly. All right, so we have our next section done. And then next here is like our mission statement, I guess you could say. All right, so we're going to click section, add section, full width, add row. Oh, actually, we need to change the background to black. Of course, play around with the colors, guys. You don't have to make it exactly like this. Just showing you how this works. All right, add row. We're going to do one column. It's a headline. All right. Let's change this here. So white for the regular color, bold, because we have some of the words here are in bold, some are not. All right, I'm just going to copy this. Whatever your mission statement is, for the past X number of years, we've helped this many people do this. Okay, so there we go. And then let's do the last part. Yep. And then maybe we can resize this a little bit. So we'll go to desktop font size. There we go. Cool. All right, let's add our next section, full width. This one's going to be where the professional headshot goes. All right, so over here, professional headshot. And then we just have some text here as well, starting to explain the process a little bit, starting to educate people. All right, the benefits of what the product or service is that you or your client customers are offering. All right, so this is going to be a 2-column row on this one. And we're actually going to drag this column over just a little bit so we have more room for the text. All right, now remember, for the columns, change this to the content spacing to left so everything is aligned. Okay, for this one, on the right-hand part of the row, the right column, we're going to add a headline and then a sub-headline. Let's put a little bit of margin in between. And then let's go ahead and align these to the left as well. Okay, there we go. And then right here, we're going to add an image. Let's see, image. And then we're going to add a headline and a sub-headline. Okay. Now, all of these right here on the left are going to be our custom values. So we're going to go back. This is why I like having a couple of tabs of GoHighLevel open, so we just easily go back and forth between the tabs. So let's grab our professional headshot custom value. We're going to copy that. Right here, we're going to click the image, get rid of the placeholder image. So paste in our custom value over that, get rid of the extra space. Right, let's grab the name custom value. So client name. Okay, so the headline, we'll paste that in. Let's go ahead and bold it again. And let's get rid of the extra space. All right, might need to make that a little bit smaller because we do want it on one line if possible. Also, make sure you go through the mobile version of everything on this, guys, as well once you're done. So you just click right here, change everything up a little bit for mobile. So you could, because you can change the mobile font size and the desktop size right there. So just keep that in mind. All right, and then right here, we're going to put our title, custom value. So title. Okay. Basically, that's what is the title for your clients? Are they founder, president, CEO? Are they a broker? Are they an agent? Whatever. Okay, and then I'm just going to copy and paste what I have right here for now. And this comes down to, like, the text that you put here comes down to knowing your target audience or understanding like the product and service that your clients are offering here. Let's go ahead and bold this. So know your options. Let's see. No, actually, that's good. All right, let's adjust the desktop size just a little bit. Okay, we got some bold in here. We have some underline, blah, blah, blah. And in this particular case, we're just explaining the main benefits here. What are they going to get? How is this going to change their life or make their life easier? Okay, so you can just randomly, a little bit of underline, a little bit of bold, just makes everything stand out a little bit more. And then also for this column right here, we did a little bit of a darker background just to make everything pop a little more. You don't necessarily have to do that. So in this, let's select the column itself, and we're going to do I believe it's background color. Yeah, there we go. All right, just to make that part of the section pop a little bit more if you want. That's totally optional. All right, let's add our next section. Okay, let's see. All right, I'm not going to recreate this entire website, guys, because this is some of this stuff is kind of repetitive. So you do a black background, you'd add a headline, adjust the size a little bit, bold it. That's it. All right, what can I do for you? And what I really want to show you is how to create this panel right here, these boxes. Because again, these are just things that make the website stand out. It's easier to consume, easier to get the information people are looking for. And, so basically what this is kind of like if you could break down in 4 bullet points, what's the process look like if someone were to express interest, begin the process of working with your clients or customers, what would that process look like? So in our case, we're offering a custom plan. We go through that custom plan to discover, what is going to work best for their particular needs. There's an application process, and then there's consulting. We're going to help you out through the entire process. Just kind of summarize the entire process if you can into 4 bullet points. I just want to show you how to make this. All right, so what we're going to do is add a 4-column row right here. Okay, and for the elements here, we're actually not going to, for these guys right here, these aren't images. I actually used the bullet list element, and I'll show you why. This is pretty cool. So we're going to choose the bullet list element. We're going to delete the text. All right, and then over here on the left, we're going to start to customize this. All right, so the icon color we can change that to green. We can align it to the middle. We can also make it bigger. So desktop font size, let's make it a little bigger. And then we can change the actual icon. And, this doesn't have to be perfect, guys, but, maybe try and match it up with what bullet point you're talking about. So like this is a custom plan. So we have something that kind of looks like a plan. Discovery. Okay, we got the magnifying glass there. Application, we got the document, consulting, we're working together kind of thing, handshake, blah, blah, blah. All right. So just try and match it up as much as you can, but it's not the end of the world. If you can't find, something. All right, just make it look cool. So we're going to choose just go through the different icons here. We'll type in, let's see let's type in plan. Oh my goodness. All right, search icons. Plan, see what pops up here. All right. Yeah, definitely don't overthink this like I am right now. All right, so we'll do that one. And let's go ahead and actually clone this now because so this is going to save you a little bit of time. Like you don't have to adjust the settings for each brand new element. You can just clone it and then we just change the icon. That's it. So we'll clone these, drag them over to the new column. Boom. And now we can just change the icons. All right, so we'll click inside of this one. Let's get rid of columns there. Let's do, I don't know, we can just scroll through here, see what we like. All right, maybe do that one. Get rid of columns on this. Maybe do the wrench. All right, and let's do, yeah, there we go, security, why not? Okay, from there, we're going to add our subheadline. Actually, we're going to add 2 subheadlines. Okay, let's bold this one. This is basically going to be the bullet point, like what would you call the bullet point? All right, and then right here is going to be like a sentence or 2 about that bullet point. Like, what does it mean? What does it do? How does it work? All right, I'll put together a custom plan specifically for your life insurance or retirement goals. It's pretty basic stuff. So we'll paste that in. Let's readjust the size here a little bit. So for this first subheadline, let's make it a little bit bigger. and then this one a little bit smaller. There we go. Now we can clone these since it now has the settings we want, and we just drag them over. All right, and you just customize each one. And then I'll show you guys here in a second how to create that drop shadow so it turns it into like an actual box. It just makes it pop more, makes it stand out more. It's just a cool effect, right? Makes it look professional, like you actually put some effort into the designing your website. That does make a difference, guys. So we're gonna hover over the column, click the column, and let's see, we want box shadow right here, and we want the 40% drop shadow. That's what we want. Do that on each one here. Boom. There we go. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And always save your work, guys, periodically. I would hate you to have to start over because of a glitch. Definitely don't want that. Now, another thing you can add here are buttons. You can't go wrong with adding some more buttons to your page, giving people more opportunities to request your free lead magnet, opt into your funnel, etc. Let's put a little margin here. All right. And this would basically go to the same place as this button. So if you did the next step, if you're doing the pop-up, whatever, just make sure that it's the same. Okay. Because I don't like offering a bunch of different things on the website because people get confused. They don't really know where to get started. And like, just make it simple. Offer one thing on your website, take it from there. What's the next step that they need to take? And just stick with that. Okay. So, this is coming along pretty good. And, we've been at this for not even 30 minutes yet, guys. I mean, you guys can get this up and running for your clients pretty quickly. All right. From there, again, it's all the same stuff. This one right here is literally the same exact thing, just with a 3-column row. And we didn't put any icons above it. That's pretty much it. So I'm not going to go through that. It's pretty easy. We've got a, a footer down here. I'll show you how to make the footer really quick. So let's add a section here, because it is a good idea to put like privacy policy and stuff like that. So we're going to make this a black background. All right, we're going to add a row. It's going to be 1 column. We're going to do the logo again. And also, guys, you can resize this logo too, because everybody's logo size is different. I like actually editing my clients' logos inside of Canva. I like to resize it 450 by 125. That typically fits pretty good in this type of setting. But you can also adjust the width and height right here. That's totally up to you. So we'll do a 450 by 125 just as an example. But really what I'm doing, I want to grab this logo custom value. We're going to copy it, come down here and paste this in. All right, so there's the logo. What else do we have here? All right, so what type of professional is your clients and customers? All right, here's another like kind of company statement that you can do. These are just headlines and subheadlines. And then right here, we have a link to their privacy policy. So we're actually going to need to create a separate or an additional custom value for this. So let's go back to custom values. Let's create one for the privacy policy really quick. Sites, privacy policy. All right, 1, 2, 3. Again, I'm going to show you how to customize these custom values here in a second, or your clients and customers, how they can very easily do this. All right, so let's grab this custom value. All right, whoops. I'm just going to add an element here. Let's do a paragraph. And let's bold it. Let's make it blue. Why not? Make it look like a hyperlink. Do that. Whoa. Oh, I did the background. That's right. That's why. We definitely don't want to do that. Bold color, we want, here we go. There it is. All right, and we'll type in privacy policy, terms and conditions, blah, blah, blah. I'm just going to do privacy policy for now. We're going to double click it or just select it. We're going to click the link button right here. We're going to paste in that custom value. Before you click enter, get rid of that extra space. I just screwed it up. Yep, I did. We got to add the bracket again. There we go. We want 2 brackets. All right, let's get rid of, there we go. And in order for this to work, guys, you have to press enter. Okay. And yeah, now it'll be very easy to insert your clients or customers' privacy policy, or they can do it very easily themselves. All right, let's click save. Now we have a footer. All right, and let's see what else. That's pretty much it as far as the website design itself. This video is already a little long. I don't want to break down like the appointment page and stuff. That's literally just you could literally just recreate this part right here. Instead of a 2-column row, have a 1-column row with a heading and a sub headline, and headline and sub headline. The headline says book your XYZ type of strategy session appointment. The sub headline says, choose a day and time below that works for you. And then you would just add the calendar element right here. There it is. And that's it. That's literally all you would do for the other pages. All right. And again, you can redirect these when people click these buttons, you can send them to those additional pages that you have in this particular funnel for the main website. All right. Now, to wrap up, because this is the website, guys. So we literally made that in like 30 minutes. And it's such a powerful thing to add to your product or service that you include in your GoHighLevel snapshot for new clients and customers. I can't tell you how powerful this is. How much? I've gotten great feedback on adding this to my different products, my SaaS product, my courses, etc. Now, so you get this new client and customer. How do we actually update these custom values? Well, it's pretty easy. I'm going to show you the basic stuff first, and then I'll show you the logo and the the professional headshot. All right. So go into settings, custom values. Literally all you're going to do is the client name. They're just going to click edit here, get rid of the 1, 2, 3. They're going to type their name in. So let's put Matty Ice. All right. They're going to adjust their title. I'm going to put SaaS agency boss. That's right. Comment down below if you're a SaaS agency boss as well. Killing it. All right. Twilio number. All right. They'll click edit. They'll type in their Twilio number there. Click save. They'll put a link to their privacy policy right here. It needs to be the exact URL for their privacy policy. If they don't have one, privacypolicygenerator.org, I think. There's plenty of free privacy policy generators out there. Just grab the URL, paste it in, click save. And then lastly, we just need the logo and the professional headshot. Now, to get the value for these, we do need to have the website open. And where it says broken image, we're going to click that. We're going to click the image box here, open this up, open up our media library, and you're going to upload the logo and the professional headshot. Okay. Once you have that done, I'm just going to open up Elite Broker here. I'm going to grab the Elite Broker. That's my SaaS products. I'm going to grab that logo. You're going to click it once, copy this to the clipboard, go back to the custom URL tab, find logo, click edit, paste that in, click save, and then I will use I'm just going to use this as an example for the professional headshot. Copy that URL, professional headshot, and we'll edit this. And then I'll make the privacy policy go to GoHighLevel. Why not? GoHighLevel.com. Okay. Now we go back and we preview this. It should insert all of that information we just put into those custom values. There's the logo. There's the Twilio number. You scroll down. There's that headshot. There's my name, title. And if we scroll down, click the privacy policy. Not sure what happened there. Maybe it's maybe like the www part, or maybe I screwed up the custom value itself. Let's actually take a look. All right, that's why it's always good to test this stuff, guys. Let's see, custom values. Maybe I didn't save it. And also, let's see if we can. I don't remember. Dang it. Yeah, you can't open it in a new tab for that. That's unfortunate. Yeah, let's try it again. It might be the www. I don't know. Okay. So I probably pasted the custom value in incorrectly. or made it incorrectly. But anyways, the more important ones are, everything else works, right? The custom values work. It inserts it into the website, and all you have to do, or your clients and customers, all they have to do, couple of basic things with those custom values, and everything is customized specifically to their business. It's awesome. So anyways, guys, this video is long enough. That's how you build a one-page website inside of GoHighLevel using the funnel builder. I think it's an awesome thing to add to your product and service. I highly recommend it because you make it once and it just continues to work for you over and over and over, making your product and service that much more valuable. So again, guys, if you found this video helpful, please smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Go through my GoHighLevel affiliate link. If you don't have it yet, I would really appreciate it. Share this video with a couple of friends, and I will talk to you in the next one. Peace.